Hey guys, what's up? I have a super exciting announcement for you guys. If you guys can already tell by the title, I made it into the Nyx Face Awards this year. I'm super excited to be in the top 30, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you so much for supporting me on my channel and watching my videos. So if you guys don't know what the Nyx Face Awards, basically it's a competition between 30 people, 30 makeup artists around the United States, and basically we have to go head to head and get votes for a chance to be flown out to LA and be in the top 6 and get a chance to win $50,000. So I'm super excited. I hope I can at least make it to round 2. That would be really great. Round 2, that's my goal, guys. We're gonna keep our expectations low. So I got the call on Monday, and I was totally not expecting it. I didn't think I was gonna get in at all. I get a call from California, and I'm just like, should I answer this? Should I answer it? I don't really want to answer it, but I guess I'm gonna answer it because it's from California. And I pick it up, and it's the Nyx headquarters in California. I was like, OMG, thank you for calling me. This is amazing. And they basically just told me that they really liked my video and that they were excited to tell me that I made it into the top 30. Now I just have to wait for the theme to be announced, and then I'm gonna be making an unboxing video with all the Nyx products that I get in the mail, because they said they're sending me a big package. And if you guys have watched other Nyx award videos, then you know that you get a big package from Nyx and a couple different sponsors. So I'm super excited for that. That should be coming to my house, they said, this week. So be on the lookout for that video, and then we're gonna be doing the challenge video. I'm so excited because this is my jam. This is literally what I love to do. I love doing crazy special effects makeup, as well as creating different stories within my looks. That's what I went to school for, to create different kinds of stories within my images and videos. And now that I have the opportunity to create stories within makeup, it's just like so amazing. I'm just so grateful that I am able to create things for you guys and show you and show the world what I can do. So with that being said, I'm just really excited to be on this journey with you guys, and I'm excited to show you. So I guess I'll see you guys in my unboxing video, which should be up later this week. And don't forget to vote for me and hashtag Team Nicole. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!